Thank you.
One more time.
She just said something. So now that there's nobody here, so tonight is their 1 year anniversary from when they found us in Renfrew at the open mic there. And it's not a pissing contest.
She has a bigger wiener.
Yeah, exactly.
It's okay.
And they graced our stage in Renfrew for the first time a year and a half ago. And I think you were just playing out the garage at that point, eh? Yeah, that's pretty cool. So happy anniversary, Patience Lost. I'll be posting that tomorrow. Again, drive safe, everybody, please. The plows are out, but please drive safe. And we will see you February 14th. From what I hear, we're going to have some Valentine's specials.